The Philippine Coast Guard has recommended fines and sanctions to be imposed on the ship owner of the vessel found to have dumped waste materials in the waters of Jasaan, Misamis Oriental last month. The order has been handed over to the legal counsel of Sampo Unyu by PCG officials right after the committee hearing by the Misamis Oriental Provincial Board Committee on Environmental Protection, Ecology, and Natural Resources led by Provincial Board member Gerardo Sabal III. To recall, MV Huko, a foreign cargo ship delivering raw materials to Filipinas-Cau in Jasaan, was suspected to have dumped a white substance believed to be mostly detergent solution from cleaning the ship's deck while anchored near the shores of Barangay Lower Jasaan. After an initial investigation by the Coast Guard and by the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources o BFAR, MV Huko was found responsible for the dumping of the substance.
Base sa among investigasyon and with the admission kay ga-admit manggod ang ship captain regarding sa ilang violation, we have a recommendation that they have actually violated the provisions of our Coast Guard circulars when it comes to disposition of garbage and other wastes. And nami gi-recommend nga fine and penalties, but of course in the observance of the right to due process of the respondent, after namo sila i-serve sa copy sa among investigation, then we would require them to respond and answer the allegations there. Nami mga circulars sa garbage, unang-una, ang mga barko na sila yung mga garbage record book. Sa garbage record book, ilagon nang i-record kung asan ilagi labay ang ilang mga waste. And it's so sa among pagsusi sa barko, ang ilang garbage record book is wala sila'y entry regarding discharge sa ilang mga waste sa proper port facility. So kana usa na ng violation, ang improper disposal kay tungod nga klaro man kayo nga nag-dispose sila sa ilang hugaw pero sa ilang garbage record book wala sila'y entry. And then ang violation nila sa paglabay sa hugaw is per day man nga violation. So among pang-determine how many days to come up with the proper fine sa ilaha.
Days until when?
Days nga among i-determine nga na-control na namo ang or wala na ang effect or the pollution kung naaman sa discharge. So it's either diha sa kuan namo response na may response operation yung gibuhat, and then pwede gihapon sa by action sa laboratory exams kay gipa-laboratory man ang tubig nya nigawas naman nga below siya sa threshold sa pollution. So meaning to say ang tubig dili na hugaw. And naanay findings diha ang laboratory sa BFAR. So based on that evidences, we will determine pila ka adlaw ang ilahang violation, and then from there we will compute how much kung pila ang ilang penalty.
Earlier during the hearing, the legal representative of Sampo Unyu, owner of MV Huko, told Sabal's Environmental Committee that he had recommended to his principal that they will positively comply with the recommendations of the Philippine Coast Guard.
And I understand that there is an infraction that happened here. After receiving formally the report and the recommendation and the imposition of fine to be given by the Philippine Coast Guard, I would immediately advise the ship owner of the same and ask them to comply as soon as possible.
Even if you have not read the recommendation.
But of course, I will have to.
Yes.
But most likely, Your Honor, I would advise them to immediately resolve this issue because they really want to put this matter to be terminated as soon as possible.
Based sa among istorya with the counsel of the respondent is that the respondent is very much willing to comply with the order, but probably that would depend on how much would be the penalty. So amo silang tagaan og chance higayon nga i-contest or mag-reconsider kung unsang penalty ang ma-apply sa ilaha because they are willing. We are giving them 10 days. That is a normal period. Give them 10 days and then from there, after 10 days, upon receipt sa ilahang comment, sa ilahang answer, then we would probably draft our resolution to the case.
Meanwhile, a ship identified as MV Huko by the website vesselfinder.com has been tracked to be in the water somewhere in the Malacca Strait, traveling at 13 knots while the committee hearing was still in session. For Sios-e Online News Magazine, this is Mauro Sios reporting from the Capitol Building.